I think the future of development is going to look very different than the past. For years, organizations have tried to solve development by adding more training programs, more workshops, more content, more courses. But information alone rarely changes behavior. What actually creates growth is self-awareness and ownership. When people truly understand their strengths, when they understand how others experience them, and when they see a clear path forward, that's when development becomes transformational. That's why Extraordinary You is built differently. It combines decades of research, feedback data, AI-powered insights, and career stage development into one experience designed for every employee, not just leaders, because development shouldn't be a privilege for a few people at the top. It should be part of the experience of work itself.